In this video, I'm going to show you how to start creating Zaps and how to authorize the system app within Zapier. So right here, I've got my Zapier account open. So you will, of course, need your own Zapier account. And what we're going to do is simply create a new Zap. So what I'm going to do is click on Create a New Zap just over here. And now I want to create a specific trigger that uses the Funnelr app. So what I'm going to do is click on the trigger over here, and I'm going to search for Funnelr. There it is. So now that's been added, I need to actually authorize this app. And you'll see over here on the right-hand side that here we have to connect our Funnelr account. So what I'm going to do is click on that, and it's going to bring up this pop-up, and it's going to ask me for a few details. The first thing is our site number, the second thing is our integration ID, and the last thing is an API key. So if I navigate back to my system and let me come out of full screen mode. So we have our numbers before the rest of our domain here, and you're going to want to collect those. Now mine is a word and not numbers. Yours will be numbers. So you'll have a set of numbers before the rest of your domain, and that's what you want to enter into the system. So I'm going to go back to that little pop-up, and I've got that pop-up open here. And so I can just go ahead and add that site number over here. The next thing I want to do is grab that integration ID. So again, coming here, coming to my integration over here, clicking update, and I want to go ahead and copy that integration ID. So here it is. I'm going to click copy to clipboard, and I'm going to open up that pop-up again, and I'm going to paste that integration ID over there. And the last thing I need is an API key. So we actually need to go and create a new API key in the system. So I'm going to come here back to my setup section, and here under integrations I'm going to click on API keys, and I want to go ahead and add an API key. So I'm just going to click add API key, and I'm going to call this Zapier, and then I've got my API key over here. I can simply go ahead and click on that, copy that to my dashboard, and once again go back to that pop-up, and then I want to go ahead and paste that into my API key section over here. And then I'm going to say, yes, continue, connect Funnelr. All right, so now my Funnelr system should be connected. So when I come back to Zapier and I can go back into full screen mode, you'll see that my Zapier account has been connected. So that is how you can connect the app to your Zapier account. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a trigger in Zapier. I'll see you there.